In the Aotearoa Village, I believe that Haka, it represents strength, solidarity, individual strength, and of course collective strength as well. But also it embodies pride, passion, and expression. You know, our Haka here in the Aotearoa Village is us sharing our pride of where we come from and who we come from to all the guests that come through here. Every Monday from 5:30 to 6:30 when the villages are closed, we have our weekly practice, and during this time we have an hour to work on whatever our trainers and whatever our leaders want us to work on. And oftentimes we practice a good haka. That would be the most consistent one. It's usually outside. We practice our haka. We're working on cleaning our actions, standardizing everyone, making sure everyone is in key. A daily one we do is backstage we have a whiteboard, and on the whiteboard it'll show you which hakas we're doing and which show it's going to be, and that gives you an idea of who's going to be on the stage, what kind of expressions you're going to do, and it also gives you an understanding of what the haka is going to be about. It also stops our newer boys, our newer workers from getting on stage and doing a haka that they're not really familiar with. Being united or being together as one, moving together as one group, as one collective. We're taught that we come from our own different backgrounds, different styles of haka in New Zealand. But when we come here, we all need to standardize and be together as a collective. It promotes unity, together as a team, but also make sure that everyone's clean and everything is going smoothly. Now I want them to feel our love and our passion that we have among each other on the stage as a group, but also the passion and love that we have for what we're doing here. Moving together as one unit, it not only makes everyone look stronger physically, but it also pushes the message out clearly. It makes sure that everyone can hear it, everyone can understand it, and everyone knows we mean what we're saying, or we mean what we're showing when we do the haka. And that's why it's important to move as one. One thing I want people to remember about the haka in the Aotearoa Village is the students. I want them to recognize that our students work hard. Majority of us have classes during the day. Straight after classes, you come to work here and you do 5 haka. We do 5 shows a day, 4 times a week. Our boys and our women, they put 100% in every show that we have. E hara taku toa, I te toa takitahi, engari taku toa, I te toa takitini. My accomplishments are not mine own, but they are the accomplishments of many. Tēnā rā koutou katoa, mātaki mai tēnei kaupapa, tātari ana mātou Ngāti Rongomau o Aotearoa, mō tō haringa mai ki tēnei pito whenua, ki tēnei whare. We're at the Aotearoa Village. We will be waiting with warm arms for everyone to come and join us and to watch our haka here at PCC. In the meantime, like, share, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Kia ora. Is that all right? Yeah.